What is the value of given data? So what is available in this data? Data is A plus B is equal to 8 and A minus B is equal to 6. And what is required? A square plus B square and A, B is question mark. Both data are required. Now, by using formula, A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square is equal to 2A square plus B square. Now we will put the values in this formula. A plus B is equal to 8 square plus A minus B is given 6 square is equal to 2A square plus B square. 8 the 64 plus 6 the 36 is equal to 2A square plus B square. 36 plus 64 is equal to 100 is equal to 2A square plus B square. Now we will divide 2 with both sides. 2 cancel with these 2. 2 1 the 2, 5 2 the 10 and 0. So A square plus B square is equal to 50. This is the answer of A square plus B square. In given data, AB is also required. For solving AB, we are using the formula A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. The value of A plus B is 8 square minus A minus B is equal to 6 square is equal to 4AB. 8 the 64 minus 6 the 36 is equal to 4AB. 64 minus 36 is equal to 28 is equal to 4AB. Now we will divide 4 with both sides. 4 cancel, 4 1 the 4, 7 4 the 28. AB is equal to 7. This is the answer. Again, in this question, we have to find the value of A square plus B square and AB. What is given? A plus B is equal to 5. A minus B is equal to 3. Required A square plus B square and AB. Both are required. For A square B square, there is a formula. A plus B whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2a square plus b square. The value of a plus b is 5 square plus value of a minus b is 3 whole square is 2a square plus b square. 5 5 the 25 plus 3 3 the 9 is equal to 2a square plus b square. 29 plus 9 is equal to 34 is equal to 2a square plus b square. Now we will divide 2 with both sides. 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 7 2 the 40. 2 cancel with this 2. A square plus b square is equal to 17. This is the answer of a square plus b square. Now for solving AB, we are using the formula a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. By putting the value of a plus b is equal to 5 square minus a minus b 3 square is equal to 4ab. 5 5 the 25 minus 3 3 the 9 is equal to 4ab. 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. 4ab. Now divide 4 with both sides. 4 1 the 4, 4 1 the 4, 4 4 the 16. So the value of AB is equal to 4. This is the answer of given question. Now we are going to solve another problem. In this we have to find the value of a square plus b square and c square. Now what is given in this problem? A plus b plus c is 9. AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 30. This is given data. And what is required? The required value is a square b square plus c square. We have to find the values of this. Now we will use the formula a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ac. Now put the value in this formula. Now put the values in this formula. A plus b plus c is equal to 9. So here is 9 square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2. AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 13. 9 9 the 81 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 13 to the 26. So a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 81 minus 26 is equal to 55. 5. So the value of a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 55. This is the required answer of given data. Exercise number 3.2 is very important exercise. Now we are going to solve question number 6. Now in this question, what is given data? A plus B plus C is equal to 1 upon 3 and AB plus BC plus AC is equal to minus 2 upon 9. And what is required? A square plus B square plus C square is required. So by using the formula, A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus BC plus AC. Now we are putting the value A plus B plus C is equal to 1 upon 3. It is given 1 upon 3 whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2. The value of AB plus BC plus AC is equal to minus 2 upon 9. 1 upon 3 9 is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus minus 2 to the 4 upon 9. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1 upon 9 minus plus 4 upon 9 is equal to 5 upon 9. 5 upon 9 is the answer of given question. Another very simple and very easy and very important question of exercise 3.2. What is required? Required is A plus B plus C is required. And what is given data? A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 29. And AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 10. Now by using the formula A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 AB plus BC plus AC. Now put the values of given data. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 29 plus 2 AB BC AC is equal to 10. 29 plus 10 to the 20 is equal to 49. So A plus B plus C whole square is equal to 49. So by taking square root from both sides, square root from both sides, A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A plus B plus C, and the square root of 49 is 7 7 the 49. 7 is the square root of 49. So a plus b plus c is equal to 7. This is the answer. Now question number 8 of exercise 3.2 is very simple and very easy. Now what is required? A plus B plus C is required. What is given data? A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 0.9. AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 0.8. Now we will use the formula A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 AB plus BC plus AC. Now put the values. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to, the value of this is 0.9 plus 2, value of AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 0.8, 0.9 plus 2 multiply with 0.8 is equal to 1.6. The sum of 1.6 and 0.9 is 2.5. Again, by taking a square root from both sides, A plus B plus C is equal to under root 2.5. This is the answer of question number 8. A plus B plus C is equal to under root 2.5. Now we are going to solve question number 9 of exercise 3.2. What is given data? Given data is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to 10 and A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 20. What is required? A plus B C plus AC. This is required data. And now what is formula? Formula is A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 AB plus BC plus AC. This is very simple and easy question. A plus B plus C is equal to 10 whole square is equal to value of A square B square C square is 20 plus 2 AB plus BC plus AC. 10 10 the 100 is equal to 20 plus 2 AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 100 minus 20 divided by 2. 100 minus 20 is equal to 80 divided by 2. 2 1 the 2, 4 2 the 8, 0, 40. This is answer.